Hello students, welcome to my channel Science World, and if you find this video useful for you, then please like, comment, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you will get notified with my upcoming videos. Okay, so today's topic is structure of a tooth. In our last video we have discussed about the types of teeth, different types of teeth. So there are 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Now what is the structure of a tooth? Okay, what are the parts of a tooth that we will see? See, the part that we see in our mouth, the part of the tooth that we see in our mouth, that white part, that is white color part, and half part of the tooth is inside the gums. Okay, means we can see only half part of the tooth, we cannot see whole tooth in our mouth. Okay, when we smile we see white shiny teeth fixed in soft pink gums. When you smile or when you open mouth, you can see soft pink gums. Okay, pink color gums you can see, and these are the place, or this is the place where this tooth is fixed, where this tooth is fixed. That means the tooth is fixed in the gums. Okay, a tooth has how many parts? It has 3 parts, namely crown, neck and the root. Crown, neck and root, these are the 3 parts of a tooth. Okay, the part of the tooth that it is above the gum, this is the gum, pink color, it is the gum, and the part which is above the gum, यानी कि जो gum से ऊपर है और हमें दिखता है, it is known as the crown. Okay, and this crown is covered with this enamel. Okay, enamel is the hardest substance in our body. It is the hardest substance in our body, enamel. Okay, it is very hard and it is of white, or you can say yellowish in color, yellowish or cream in color. So this is the crown. Okay, just below the crown here it is neck of the tooth, this neck of the tooth, and this neck is the we can say connection in between the crown and the root. Okay, neck is the connection between the crown and the root part of the tooth. Then what is root? Root is the part of the tooth that is inside the gums. That means it lies deep in the gum, gums के अंदर, धसे हुए हम जिनको बोल सकते हैं, fixed. Okay, this part of the teeth that we cannot see, it lies deep inside the gum, it is known as the root. Okay, and this root holds the tooth in the jaw. This is jaw. Okay, this is the bone, this brown part you can see here, this is what? This is the bone, and above these bones tissue is there, soft tissue is there, and this tissue makes the gum. Okay, and these gums hold these teeth. Okay, and the half part that is inside the gums, or we can say bones, it is known as the root of the tooth. In the same way we can see only the stem and the leaves of the plant. Okay, but we cannot see the roots of a plant. Can you see the roots of a plant? No, they are inside the soil. In the same way the root of this tooth is inside the gums. Okay, they are fixed inside the gum. Then the outer covering of this crown, crown का जो outer covering होता है, it is white in color and it is very hard. जैसे मैंने पहले आपको बताया, I told you that this is known as enamel and it is the hardest substance in our body. एक बार अगर ये डैमेज हो जाए, if it is damaged, then we cannot get it back. हम इसको बाद में नहीं बना सकता, हमारी बॉडी इसको बाद में नहीं बना सकते, and we cannot heal it also. हम इसको हील भी नहीं कर सकते. दैट मीन्स अगर ये डैमेज होता है तो इट कैन नॉट बी रिपेयर्ड और इट कैन नॉट बी गेट बैक इन इट्स ओरिजिनल पोजिशन. Okay, so enamel is the hardest substance in our body. and it is the covering of the crown. So what is enamel? Enamel is the covering of a tooth and its color is white. Okay, then there is another layer called dentine below this enamel. Below this enamel, dentine is there. This brown color part you can see here, this is dentine and it is found below the enamel. Enamel के नीचे होता है. Okay, this dentine protects the soft pulp inside. Here you can see the pulp, this red color, you can see this brown and red color here. This is what? This is pulp. Okay, and this is very soft and delicate, and this dentine protect this pulp. Why? Because it is very soft and delicate. Okay, this pulp has nerves. What is this pulp contain? This pulp has nerves. You can see these lines here, yellow, blue and green color lines you can see here. These are the nerves that carry messages to the different parts of the body, that you know. Okay, nerves. Then they also contain blood vessels, means these blood vessels supplies blood to the gums. Okay, these blood vessels and nerves, they are connected to the root of the tooth. They are connected to the root of the tooth. Okay, and here there is one hole, you can see here also and here also holes are there, and through these holes of the roots, these nerves and blood vessels connect to the gums. Okay, these are connected to the gums here. Okay, so this is all about the tooth. This is the structure of a tooth. Okay, so we have discussed about the structure of the tooth. In our next video we will discuss about the how to take care of our teeth so that they can last longer in our life. Okay, so till then, take care. Goodbye.